To open the DSC Vanishing door contact to access the batteries, there will be a notch near the bottom or the top, depending on how the device is mounted, in which case we want to use a flathead screwdriver to twist it off. Once the part becomes separated, the battery is easily identifiable and is also a CR2032 battery. This battery can use the same screwdriver to release it, putting the new battery in. With this particular device, you will notice that a light does flash from time to time, especially if it's within range of the magnet. We want to ensure that we put the bottoms in first. Oops. And then clip it back together. This particular device contains a light on the inside to indicate that it is set up correctly. There's a small notch here that when it feels a magnetic pull, the light will flash. This light should come on every time you open and close your door for about 30 seconds to a minute after the battery's been replaced.